In this video, I am going to show you how to draw a ring with Type DG, a 3D model in AutoCAD. First of all, you have to draw a shape of the ring in right side view. You can change this view in UCS Coordinates tab, and then go to front view and draw this type of the shape. After extrude and intersect this from ring, this can help to maintain shape and give the ring ordinary design. Now extrude all parts, and intersect circle and the shape we have drawn front view. Our main ring structure is drawn, using 3D fillet command, smooth all edges of the ring. Go to top view, draw the base of the ring, and then draw the text you want to appear on the ring. After drawing, extrude the text and place it on the base of the ring. Fillet all edges of the text so it looks smooth and perfect. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. I'm always here to help.